Hi there, and welcome back. I am so glad you chose to spend a few quiet minutes here with me today. Have you ever broken something you truly loved? Maybe a favorite mug you held every morning, a vase that held special memories, or a piece of pottery that just felt irreplaceable. Most of us would look at those shattered pieces on the floor and think, well, it's over. Time to sweep it up and throw it away. Have you ever looked at your own life, your own heart, and felt the exact same way? Staying up late, replaying old mistakes, staring at your emotional scars, and wishing you could somehow undo the heartbreaks. Silently asking yourself, am I just too broken to be fixed? It is an exhausting way to live, isn't it? But I want to share a beautiful story with you today. There is a 500-year-old Japanese tradition called Kintsugi. It is the art of repairing broken pottery using pure, luminous gold. And more than just a craft, it teaches us a gentle, life-changing way to look at our own flaws. Wherever you are right now, just let your shoulders drop. Let go of the pressure to be flawless. Take one deep, slow breath in and let it out. You don't have to hide your fractures here. You are completely safe. The story behind this art form is actually really beautiful. Hundreds of years ago, a Japanese leader, or shogun, accidentally broke his absolute favorite tea bowl. He was heartbroken, so he sent it away to be repaired. But when it came back, he was so disappointed. The craftsman had simply stapled the pieces together with ugly, cold metal clasps. It looked ruined. So he asked his own local craftsman to find a better way. And what they came up with changed everything. Instead of trying to hide the cracks or pretending the bowl had never broken, they filled the fractures with a special lacquer mixed with powdered gold. They transformed the cracks into the most beautiful feature of the entire bowl. When they finished, the repaired bowl wasn't just fixed, it had become more valuable, more breathtaking, and completely unique because of what it had been through. Think about how much energy we spend trying to put those same ugly metal clasps onto our own lives, hiding our mistakes, rushing our healing, trying so hard to pretend we never stumbled, when perhaps we could be turning our cracks into gold instead. In Japan, this way of thinking is connected to a philosophy called Wabi-Sabi, a gentle reminder that there is a deep, quiet beauty in things that are imperfect, impermanent, and incomplete. Let's just sit with that for a second. We live in a world that is obsessed with perfection. We are told our lives, our careers, and our relationships should look completely flawless, like a polished surface without a single scratch. And if we carry a flaw, we're taught to feel ashamed of it. But Kintsugi tells us something completely different. It says the cracks are not something to hide. They are something to honor. They tell your true story. They are living proof that you lived, that you tried, and that you loved. An old stone path is uneven, yet it is beautiful because of the history it holds. You don't look at a beloved old book and throw it away simply because its pages are worn. Breaking is a normal part of life, but breaking doesn't mean your story is over. Sometimes it is simply the moment you begin becoming someone entirely new. Let's bring this home to your own heart. When we go through a hard time, whether it's a loss, a failure, a difficult breakup, or a deep disappointment, the world often tells us to simply move on, to put on a brave face, to snap out of it, and to act as though nothing ever happened. But true healing isn't about erasing the past. It's about taking those broken pieces and gently weaving them into the person you are becoming today. Think about it. You are not the exact same person you were before the pain. And that is actually a beautiful thing. The challenges you survived didn't make you worse. They made you softer. They gave you a deeper kindness and empathy that an unbroken heart could never fully understand. You know how to sit beside someone in the darkness now, because you've been there yourself. Coming back from a hard season doesn't mean you are ruined. It means you are growing into a stronger, wiser, and more beautiful version of yourself. Your scars are not weaknesses. They are your golden seams. They are undeniable proof that you faced the storm. You walked through it, and you survived. They are what make you uniquely, beautifully you. So, how do we actually live this day by day? How do we stop hiding our flaws? First, stop exhausting yourself trying to look perfect. We spend so much energy trying to curate a flawless life for others to see. But the truth is, everyone is carrying their own hidden cracks. The moment you stop pretending to be completely bulletproof, a huge weight begins to lift. You finally allow yourself to breathe. Second, be incredibly gentle with yourself. You cannot heal a wound if you keep punishing yourself for getting hurt in the first place. Forgive your past self for the mistakes you made when you were simply trying to survive. You deserve your own grace. And finally, start looking at your broken places as gold. This doesn't mean pretending the pain never happened. It means acknowledging it, honoring your survival, and allowing it to become one of the most meaningful chapters of your story. When life shatters you, you don't stay on the floor forever. You patiently gather the pieces. You repair them with love. And over time, you learn to love the beautiful lines that remain. Taking time for your mental peace, setting kind boundaries, giving yourself room to breathe. These are your golden seams. They cannot change the past, but they can make your present beautifully whole. As we close our quiet time together today, I'd like to leave you with one gentle invitation. Wherever you are right now, if it feels comfortable, place one hand over your heart. Feel that steady, gentle rhythm, still beating, still carrying you forward. Take one more deep, slow breath in and quietly whisper to yourself, "My scars are my gold. My unique journey matters, and I am brave enough to embrace my whole self." Please carry that quiet strength with you as you walk through the rest of your day, or as you gently drift off to sleep tonight. Remember, you are not broken beyond repair. You are not less valuable because of your history. And you are never defined by your hardest days or your deepest wounds. In many ways, you are already becoming a work of Kintsugi. You are Kintsugi. The cracks in your heart are not flaws to hide. They are simply the places where your gold shines. Brokenness is not your ending. It is simply the beginning of a more beautiful chapter. Thank you so much for sharing this peaceful moment with me here at English Serenity. Take beautiful care of yourself. Stay true to your own path. And I will talk with you again next time. Stay cozy.